This one is just speaking to me here. How beautiful is this? Isn't this nice? Oh my goodness. How much is it? This fall sign is $19.99. It is adorable. I like the little bows right there. Really cute. Table runners, they're 13 by 72 and they are $13, guys. Isn't that pretty? Yes. This pillow says you're the pumpkin to my pie. It's $14.99. Really cute. Lanterns down here and they are $50. Yes, yes, and yes. Oh, that would be so cute on my porch. Ah, cute. I like this little welcome sign right here. It says autumn and it is $26. $25.99, but we're gonna round it up to $26. This cute little sign that says grateful here. It's a cutie for $5. More beautiful table runners here, guys, for $13. This one is 13 by 70 here. Isn't this pretty? The cute little pumpkins here. Oh my goodness. That is well made too. Okay, this little piece here I didn't see on my last visit. It is the flameless LED candle with candle ring for $6. Nice. This is nice here, this pillow. It is Harvest metal and it is $15. Solid on the back and oh my, what is that? Gourd? Oh my goodness. Gourd? Oh my goodness. Okay, this 3-piece tabletop decor piece here is $27. Oh, I love it. And these big pumpkins, they're $15. Aldi, I just did a video at Aldi and they have them in this color, green, cream, and a dark brown. Yes. Outdoor core mat, and they're $13. Okay, they got these nice little pumpkin fall fest candles here. Harvest pumpkin is this one. Cinnamon pecan. Oh, that sounds like it smells good. Cinnamon pecan. Oh, oh, it's $7, guys. Oh, wow, that is amazing right there. Ooh. Candied pumpkin. It is, can't see that writing. Oh, it smells good too. Ooh wee. Oh, so this one is pumpkin sugar pecan. Ooh, it smells just like a pecan pie. Open Meadows. What is today? Pumpkin Day? Candles Day? I'm getting obsessed with these candles. I can't really smell this one. So this one has what? Dewdrops and musk. I can't really smell this one, guys. So pumpkin latte. Let's see about this one. $7 for these. Oh, yes it is. Oh my goodness, I love these. Ooh-wee. But my favorite is going to be this one, the cinnamon pecan. Yes. They even have more up here, guys. Apple pumpkin fritters. And these are $7 as well. Oh, they have more new fall items. Oh yeah, right here. Ooh, this welcome sign. It is $30. That is cute. The little leaves on here, made out like that little thin metal material. Yes. This little arrangement here is $30. LED candle tabletop arrangement. And it is beautiful. They have the pumpkins. They even have this tabletop here. It's a little bit different. It is $22. So this one is 22 and that one is what I said? 30, $29.99. Okay, yeah. Really nice. And look at these. These are cute. Pumpkins, they're $15. Careful. These beautiful glass pumpkins, they are $15, guys. Decorative lantern is $12. I love the little black wire handle, and it has the little LED light inside. Very great deal on that one. Ooh, they have this fall sign here. It's pretty. All white for $20. Oh yeah, beautiful. This one is just speaking to me here. How beautiful is this? Isn't this nice? Oh my goodness. How much is it? Well, let's see. It's $25. Not bad at all, guys. This is a new piece as well. This Hello Fall ladder. Let's see. It is $30. Beautiful. Pillsbury Perfect Pumpkin Cake Mix. It is $1.97. They have the cream cheese frosting here, limited edition for $1.99. Funfetti right here is $1.79, and the icing is $1.99 as well with the little eyeballs. That's cute. Okay, the pumpkin spice muffins, they are $2.79. The complete pancake mix is $2.79. And let's see, they got a lot of stuff here. A lot of pumpkin folly festy thingies. Okay, the perfectly moist spice cake is $1.79. This one's by Duncan Hines, so you know this is going to be good. They have the carrot cake. Ooh, same price. The perfectly moist orange supreme cake. Okay, the autumn trees crisp rice pop kit for $7. They have these cinnamon sticks for $8.99. Gluten-free. Yeah, $8.99, guys. Have this pumpkin spice Starbucks coffee. It's $25. It is a limited edition, and you get 32. Cold brew coffee, pumpkin spice. It is by Starbucks, and it is $10. Pumpkin spice bites, $2.99. We have the pumpkin spice flavored cream Oreo cookies for $4.50. Ooh, they even have the pumpkin spice mini moon pies. Ooh, and they had these at Aldi's, and they're $5.49 here by Tate's too. Pumpkin spice cookies. Yeah, pumpkin harvest hand lotion for 99 cents. They have the caramel pumpkin, the apple harvest. Yeah, those are the fall hand lotions, only 99 cents. The pumpkin spice hand soap, it's $2.49. Isn't this the little cute? It looks like a little pumpkin. So cute. Then they have more hand soap down here for $1. So this one says apple harvest, apple brown sugar, sun orange, sunshine orange, caramel pumpkin. Yeah. A few more treats right here coming in the door. This one is the fall party cakes. You get 10, and they are, let's see, how much are these? How much are the little Debbies? Oh goodness, where's the price? Okay, well, I don't see the price, guys, but they have the Pumpkin Delights cookies here. You get 8 in this pack. Okay, the cakes. And let's see. The brownie pumpkins. You get 5 individually wrapped brownies in that one. Yeah. That's what they have here at Big Lots, guys. Well, all right, that's it, guys. Just a little quick video on all fall things here at Big Lots. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.